Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create custom views for marketing teams on ASANA, your 2025 complete guide. The first step in creating a custom view is to go to your ASANA project. Once you're there, click on the project header, which will open the Project Actions menu. Now that we've done that, click on Save Layout as Default. This is an important step because it allows you to save your preferred view so you'll see it every time you open this project. Next up, choose your desired layout. This can be a list, board, timeline, or calendar view. The reason we do this is to tailor your view to the needs of your marketing team. For instance, if you're planning a content calendar, the calendar view might be most suitable. Then, it's time to sort your tasks. Click on the Sort button in the toolbar. You'll see different options like None, Due Date, Assignee, etc. Select the one that makes sense for your team. This helps us because it brings the most pressing tasks to the forefront, ensuring nothing important is missed. Now let's add some filters. Click on the Filter button in the toolbar. You can filter tasks by assignee, tags, custom fields, or even by completion status. Let me explain why this matters. Filtering helps your team focus on specific tasks, making it easier to manage and track progress. Finally, once you've set your desired layout, sorted your tasks, and added filters, remember to save your view by clicking on the project header, and then on Save Layout as Default again. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This allows your custom view to be the default view every time you or your team access this project. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom view for your marketing team on ASANA. Remember, custom views help streamline your workflow and ensure everyone on your team stays updated with tasks and deadlines. That's all for today's tutorial. Keep exploring, and you'll discover how flexible and powerful ASANA can be for managing your marketing projects. Until next time.